Today's video, I'm going to be showing you another unboxing of $5,000 in silver and why I keep buying these types of silver coins so that way you can make some money doing the same. Welcome to Empire Precious Metals. If you're new to the channel, I am not a financial advisor. I am a guy talking about precious metals and collectibles. So make sure you blast that subscribe button, get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. And please don't forget to blast that like button. So I am going to unbox these two packages that came in this morning, and I'm going to explain to you why I am buying these particular silver coins. Just to give you a little bit of a background, those of you that are newer to the channel, I do make a lot of educational type videos talking about silver, gold, and collectibles, but I also do sales once a week on YouTube, Sundays, 5 p.m. Eastern. Sometimes that day changes and the time changes based on what's happening with holidays and so on, but I typically am on Sundays, 5 p.m. Eastern. I also have my website, empirepreciousmetals.com, so please don't forget to check that out. But I do buy silver and gold, and I resell them for a decent profit. And these coins in particular, these are items that I've been buying regularly and have been doing rather well with these when it comes to the secondary market. What I typically do is I look for coins that are hot, and when I say hot, I mean that have a high demand and are constantly selling. And I also look at the mintage, and I look at the collectability of the particular item, and if it's something that has a limited mintage and seems to be worth getting, then I get it. I'm trying to do this without showing the packing slip. Let's move that over there. I really despise the packing peanuts. I just gotta put that out there. So I typically am looking for the mintage of the items, collectability, and I basically look at trends on eBay, what's being posted on Instagram, what I see other channels on YouTube posting, and I get a sense as to what is popular and what is selling and what people want in the market. And then other items, you know, I kind of back off of, and I don't don't buy them, and I, you know, sit back and every once in a while I'll get something wrong, but it's rare. To be honest with you, I've been doing this now for a couple of years as a silver and gold dealer, and as I'm knocking everything over, I'm trying to make room for this other package here. But really 9 times out of 10, maybe even more, I am usually pretty accurate, pretty on the spot when it comes to picking an item that is going to be popular and is going to sell well. And one of the things that my paid members do in the memberships, they actually follow me and my posts on there, and they've been able to make some money doing the same things that I'm doing. I'm not going to tell people to buy a coin that I think is dog crap. I'm going to tell people to buy stuff that I think are going to be hits. Now, really quick disclaimer, again, I'm not a financial advisor, right? You're going to have to do your own due diligence and buy whatever you think is right for you to buy and whatever you're comfortable putting up in terms of, you know, your own capital, because it is speculative, right? The stuff that I'm buying is based on speculation. There's always going to be that chance that these items might not do as well as I would like them to, but you know, like I said, I'm usually right. I think the only coins that I bought that I was a little worried about were the King Kong versus Godzilla coins, and those I still ended up making money on, but the problem with those is that APMEX ended up making quite a variety, 25,000 of multiple different types of coins, 10,000 of others. So anyhow, we're going to open these up, and I'm going to explain to you again why I continue to buy these types of coins. Let's just go with this here. I'm not sure as to what's what. What do we got here? We got the Incredible Hulk. Okay. Thor's. All right. And I always, just a tip for you guys, I always keep these packages. I have different bubble mailers that I send out, but these I'll keep because they're still in perfect condition and they're extra packaging. So every time you guys get bubble mailers and envelopes and things like that, keep them because you never know when you're going to use them. Boxes too, sometimes I'll keep them. So we got Thor and we've got Hulk, okay, of the Marvel coin series. And let's see what's in here. And I have quite a few of these already. We got a tube of Deadpools. All right. Gotta love Deadpool. Deadpool is a great character. As you can see, maybe you can't see it, but I'll pull this over here. We've got the first appearance of Deadpool right there. This is actually a pretty expensive comic. I debated whether or not to get that in a higher grade, but at the time that I got that, that was kind of what my budget allowed for. What do you think is in here? We got some Wolverines. Unfortunately, they're not going to be the errors. Me, Guido, Silver Husky, and Director of Awesome, we pretty much sucked that well dry there. We ended up getting all of them. We got some Venoms. We ended up getting pretty much all of them that were available. Right now, there's only been 65 that have been accounted for. So the other, I want to say 340 or so are still missing, right? No, unaccounted for. What do we got? This is Black Panther. Okay, got Black Panther. The glue is getting on my fingers here. Not sure what's in the reds over there. I'll have to double check and see what's in the red. What's here? We got more Venoms. All right, a lot of Venoms, as you guys could see. This is, any guesses? What are you guys thinking is this one? It looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa back there with that Venom tower. This happens to be five Black Panthers. Venoms again. All right, so we got more Venom. And then in here, so we got 20, 30 Venoms. And like I said, I already have a lot of them. I already have many on my website. What is this? Oh, we got Santa drinking a Coke. What's in here? Come on. Another one. And what's in this one? I'm going to explain to you again, like I said, I'm going to explain to you why I keep buying these. This happens to be more Santa drinking Coke. All right. Let's break this down, all right? I'm going to explain to you why I buy these particular coins and why I keep buying them in such massive quantities. Like I said, I have quite a few of them. I'll try to remember to put a picture up right now. Cutaway screen, you can see I already had some. But I'm constantly selling these. These coins are very popular. The Marvel series already has 9 in the total run, okay? It started with Spider-Man. Right now, it's up to Wolverine. I already have an idea as to the next coin that's going to be released. I'm pretty certain it's going to be Thanos. Don't quote me, but I'm thinking it's Thanos, which would mark the second villain of the series, which would be pretty cool. But these coins are really popular. Not only is it Marvel, okay, because Marvel's got such a wide fan base to begin with, so you've got that, but it's silver bullion. Now, the mintage of each of these is only 50,000. Some people are going to say 50,000 is really not that limited, but when it comes to a collectible coin such as these, it is a very limited mintage. You have people buying these in mass amounts, and they're constantly buying them, flipping them. Some of them are flipping them for profit, and others are just buying them because they're awesome collectibles. The reason these keep going up in value, again, you've got 9 in the series. Many people get into stacking after the fact, after coins have already been minted, after a series is already wrapped up and ended or is already midway through. So when you're going to have people starting to get into the hobby who happen to be Marvel fans, they hop in, let's say around the 6th or 7th coin. I think maybe Thor or Hulk was the 6th or 7th. I can't remember off the top of my head. But they hop in and they're like, oh, man, that's a cool series. I want to buy a Thor. I want to buy a Hulk. And they got Venom too. Wow. Oh, but wait a minute. Captain America, Iron Man, those are more expensive because those are harder to get. Spider-Man's $150, $200 coin right now. So you have people that are getting into this series midway through, and then they want to collect the entire series, and it costs them more of a premium, but that's why you're seeing the prices of these going up. As these are minted and as they are purchased, you have less available in the market. And once they're sold out, that's it. They're done. So the value of these continually go up. You have coins that are selling anywhere from 55 upwards of 150, 170 bucks on eBay. And that's just raw ungraded. And when you start getting into the MS-70 slabbed coins, now you're going to be talking much higher premium. I typically don't buy the slabbed for myself. I don't really care so much. It's weird, right? Because I'm buying the comics that are slabbed and graded. I care about that, but coins, not so much, even though the coins are about 90% of my overall business. So the Marvel coins, my friends who are watching this video, you can't go wrong with them. I do recommend that you pick some up if you can, hang on to some, and then monitor what you see happening on eBay and on different social media outlets, and then start selling that way. Venom, super popular coin. So when I get an opportunity to pick up Venom coins, I do. They are just a really popular coin. Deadpool as well. Black Panther, once Chadwick Boseman passed away, the value of these coins shot up. And so there's some coins that are more sought after, Spider-Man being one of the very most sought after. The Wolverine era, which you have probably seen on my videos. I discovered the Wolverine era along with one of my subscribers, and they were minted instead of 2021, they were minted with the year 2018. And so that was a modern mule mint error, and I will be posting a video about that come the next couple of weeks, because there is going to be an article written about this, and yours truly is going to be featured in that article. So I'm very excited to share that with all of you. But anyway, the Marvel coins, guys, keep buying it. I think you should keep buying these. They're excellent for resale. Thors and Hulks, you might have to sit back on a little bit. It might take a little bit of time. But the Deadpools, Black Panthers, if you could get some Iron Mans and some Captain Americas cheap right now, those are really, really expensive, because those are hard to get. And then, like I said, Venoms, you can't go wrong with those. Anyway, guys, let me know, are you collecting this series? Comment down below. And do you think this is a complete waste of money? Or do you think it was a good idea? I mean, I'll tell you this one thing. I am making money hand over fist with these Marvel coins. So I'm speaking from experience. But anyway, let me know your thoughts. Comment down below. And I would like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, this is Empire Precious Metals. Until next time, long live the Empire.